Friends, you know that moment when you're juggling tools, switching tabs and trying to build a website, only to feel stuck before you even begin? There has to be an easier way. And that's exactly what we are diving into today. I'm Daniel, welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how hosting your horizons can take you from an idea to a full web app without writing a single line of code. Mates, one prompt is all it takes to start creating real functional tools. Hosting your horizons isn't just another AI generator. It's a platform that can handle everything from inventory management to a full online store with a complete e-commerce system in a single plan. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. So let's jump in. Guys, launching an online shop with AI instruments can get expensive. Platforms like Lovable or Bolt require a subscription for the tool, plus Shopify for e-commerce. It often starts at $50 a month or more. Other ones can generate code. But to run a real store, you still need Shopify, OpenCart, or other third-party services. With Horizons, everything is provided for you. It handles order management, payments, and even a free domain. You can start with Explorer at just $6.99 per month, then step up to Starter, Hobbyist, or Hustler at $79.99 per month. Each plan gives you more AI credits, websites, and features. Grab annual plans for discounts, free domains, and extra perks to supercharge your projects. Today, folks, we're going to create a fully working craft candle shop from scratch and take it live in just 15 minutes. We'll start by opening the tool and selecting Add Website, then choosing Hosting your Horizons. We'll take it step by step and see what results we get. So this website is for a company that makes handcrafted candles. The goal is to create a clean, elegant site for a craft candle brand that we can later turn into a full online store. First, the system asks a few questions about our preferences, like the color scheme. I am going with soft golds and creamy tones with warm neutral accents. Next, I specified the collections. I chose 3 examples: signature scents, a seasonal collection, and luxury gift sets. Folks, Horizons now has all the information it needs to start building, so we can move to the next step. It is already generating the code, and in just a few seconds, the platform creates an elegant showcase site for Lumina candles. Let's take a closer look at what the AI made. The hero section features the tagline, "Illuminate your moments," highlighting the emotional value of the product. The subheading presents the art of candle making and introduces our 3 collections. Buttons such as handcrafted, natural ingredients, and perfect gifts match the brand's identity. The soft gold and cream tones create a warm, premium feel. Friends, navigating is super easy. It has 3 main sections: Home, About Us, and Collection. Each one displays images of the production process, exactly as we requested in the initial prompt. In the Collection section, the candles are neatly organized into categories, just like we asked. You can even preview it in mobile view, and it looks amazing. I really like this approach because I can edit content manually or highlight elements with the picker, select them, and tell the AI to make changes. And if you want, you can dive into the code to see exactly what Horizons generated, giving full control over the project. We can manage all settings of our online store directly through the Online Store panel under Integrations. Guys, here you can change your store's name, manage all your company information, and even handle shipping settings for your store. Of course, there's also a convenient orders management system. You can filter orders easily and even export them to CSV, where you can see whether a product has been paid for or not. You can also manage your products here. This is where you can edit product details in a simple and organized way. Guys, let's take an example. I'll create a candle. I can upload the product and even generate its description using the built-in AI tool, which will automatically create a complete product description for me. And just like that, the product is ready. Folks, you can do the same with all your products. It's really easy. Just upload a photo, and the AI creates the description instantly. Everything is ready to go, including pre-made variations. You can also manage categories and add different types of discounts, plus manage customers and view their details. And of course, there's a dashboard with analytics, where you can track everything. You can also adjust various features and integrations right from the panel. What makes Horizon stand out compared to other no-code tools is how fast and simple it is to get a fully functional online store up and running. With platforms like Lovable, Bolt, or V0, you'd normally have to integrate Shopify or WooCommerce separately. That means dealing with subscriptions, API connections, and syncing across platforms. It also has a built-in e-commerce system that activates with a single click. Once connected, it automatically sets up everything you need, from product pages to checkout, payment processing, and even a success page after purchase. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Folks, let's take a look. The Shop tab now shows all products, and the Add to Cart button works okay. Checkout runs smoothly too, letting us place orders and process payments without a hitch. If we want to integrate Stripe for payment, there's a built-in guide for that. Supabase keeps track of the inventory, and we can even connect Google Analytics to track performance. In short, what started as a simple showcase site is now a fully functional online store. You can publish it under your own domain, with all collections and checkout features working seamlessly. Guys, you can manage your store details, choose currency and measurement system, and add your logo and contact info. You can also set up payment methods and connect Stripe or add other manual payment options, like card terminals or cash. Shipping zones are fully manageable too. You can add new countries and regions where your online store operates. Checkout settings are adjustable as well, and you can set up additional products, manage pages like terms and conditions, marketing content, and custom options. Folks, make sure to collect phone numbers and any custom fields. You can also manage order confirmation settings and preview how they'll appear on your site. It's possible to add tax rules for different regions, enable available countries, and generate invoices, even customizing how they look. Plus, there are integrations you can connect, like Shippo or Printful. Alright, my friends, that's a wrap. Hosting our Horizons isn't just a website builder. It's like having a designer, developer, and copywriter in one place. It turns a simple idea into a real business in minutes, without writing a single line of code. What really stands out is its accessibility. You don't need technical skills or hours of setup. Just describe your idea and you're on your way. Folks, and here's a huge bonus. Everything you create is SEO optimized and can be created in over 80 languages. So whether you're targeting local customers or going global, the tool is ready for both. The platform also gives you a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can explore it, build your project, and decide with confidence. Turn your idea into a real business today. Guys, grab 10% off hosting the Horizons with the code DanielTech10. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.